Hey guys, I'm not crying because God is good, but let me just tell you that I did something that I am not happy with myself, especially because I work so hard. And there's a saying in where I come from that the devil fixed his son so much that he poked both an eye out. In my case, I messed around and messed around that I poked both eyes out. I was cutting a bad leaf and I accidentally cut the actual vine to this baby right here. Look at her. Listen, I am hurting. I put the vine in water, and now what I'm going to attempt to do is kind of put it back together. I'm going to infuse both ends. That's where I cut it. I don't know if you can see that? I'm going to infuse both ends, and then I'm going to wrap it with this and tape and hope and pray that it will come back. I'm not ready to give up. The only thing left now is a prayer that it actually works, because I will just cry if I lose her. I will cry. Okay, so the rest is up to good old Lord to do his part. But you see what I have done. So I'm just gonna pray, and if it's in his will, it will survive. If not, I gave him my best shot. Lesson learned.